In this lecture, I will told plant growth and development containing next article, that is photoperiodism. Photoperiodism. The relative length of day and night duration to initiate the flowers of plant body, that is called as photoperiodism. Initiation of flowers during the relative length of day as well as night, that is during the relative length of photoperiod, the initiation of flowers can take on. This phenomenon are commonly called as photoperiodism. This concept was firstly discovered by American plant breeder, that is Garner and Allard. Garner and Allard, these two American plant breeders, they will discuss or they will discover the photoperiodism, this concept, by using the tobacco variety that is Meerland Mammoth. In this variety or tobacco variety, that is Meerland Mammoth, get useful for his research, and these two American plant breeders, that is Garnier and Allard, in 1920 they will discover the phenomenon that is called as photoperiodism. The relative length of day duration as well as night duration, that is photoperiod, for initiation of flowers, that is called as photoperiodism. Initiation of flowers, flower initiation after the completion of maturity of vegetative organs, the reproductive organ, that is flower, should be developed during plant growth as well as development. This flower initiation, few types of plant, flower initiation can take place during the day length become longer than the night length. Few types of varieties, flower initiation can take place by duration of day length is shorter than the night duration. And few types of species, the flower initiation duration of photoperiod is not negligible. Any time flower initiation can take place, that is called as day neutral plants. These initiation or formation of flower, relative length of these day as well as night duration is needful, is essential. This phenomenon are commonly called as photoperiodism. The relative length of day and night duration for the initiation of flowers is commonly called as photoperiodism. This photoperiodism concept was firstly discovered by two American plant breeders, that is Garnier and Allard, in 1920. By studying the tobacco varieties Meerland Mammoth. Okay. On the basis of this relative length of day duration or night duration, that is photoperiod, there are three types of plants. First one is long day plants. Second one is short day plants. And third one is day neutral plants. Means on the basis of the photo period required for the initiation of flowers, the Garnier and Allard, they get classify the following plants of photoperiodism or the following types of photoperiodism. There are three types of photoperiodism. First one is first type, that is called as short day plants. Short day plants. It is also called as, in short form, it is known as SDP, or it is also called as long night plant. Second one is long day plant. Shortly it is called as LDP, and it is also called as short night plants. Short day plant, that is STB, SDP, or it is also called as long night plant. It is one of the type of photoperiodism or photoperiodic plants. Second one is long day plant, or it is also called as short night plants. And third one is day neutral. Day neutral plants. In shortly it is called as DNP. Okay. Garnier and Allard, these two American plant breeders, they get classified into these three types of plant on the basis of photo period for the initiation of flowering. First one is short day plants. It is called as SDP, or it is also known as long night plants. Why it is called as long night plants? Because duration of day length is more. Day length is more than the night length. Duration of day length, that is photo period, is maximum for initiation of flowers, is needful during these short day plants. So it is called as long night plant because day length is more or maximum is needful for initiation of flowers, that is called as short day plants. Short day plants means duration of day length is longer than the night length, that is called as short day plant, or it is also called as long night plant because initiation of flowers can take place during the length of day is more and day length is minimum. It is called as short day. Here day length is minimum than the night length. Short day means day length is minimum. Short day plant means duration of day length is minimum than the night length, that is called as short day plants. Example, soybean. In this plant, initiation of flowers can take place during day length is minimum than the night length. Night length is longer. Night period or the dark period is more than the light period, that is called as short day plants or long night plant. In soybean plant, initiation of flower or flowering can take place during day length is minimum than the night length. It is one of the type of photoperiodism or photoperiodic plant that is called as short day plants. Then second one is long day plant. It is called as LDP. Long day means duration of day length is maximum. Long day means duration of day length is maximum than the night duration for the initiation of flowers, that is called as long day plant. Here duration of day length is maximum than the night duration. So it is called as short night plant. Long night are also called as short day plants. Here long day plant are commonly called as short night plant because night duration is minimum than the day duration for the initiation of flowers, that is called as long day plants. Example for these crop that is called as wheat or radish. In this crop, initiation of flower or flowering can take place during day length is maximum than the night length for the initiation of flowers, that is called as long day plant, or it is also called as short night plant. Then third type are known as day neutral plants. Different types of cucumbers. Initiation of flower can take place in any photoperiod. Third type that is called as day neutral plant, that is called as DNP. In this plant, duration of photoperiod is not necessary. They do not require specific photoperiod for the initiation of flowers. They do not require the specific type of photoperiods for the initiation of flowers, that is called as day neutral plants. Flower initiation can take place throughout the year. Throughout the year. Throughout the year, flowering can take place. Throughout the year, flowering can take place, that is called as day neutral plant, because they do not require at a specific photoperiod for the initiation of flowers, that is called as day neutral plants. Example, maize, cucumbers, etc. That is the three different types of plants on the basis of the photoperiodism, like short day plants, long day plants and day neutral plants, that is called as photoperiodism. Photoperiodism means the relative length of day and night duration for the initiation of flowers, that is called as photoperiodism. The American two scientists or two plant breeders, that is Garnier and Allard, they will studied in tobacco varieties, that is Meerland Mammoth, and they will suggest the photoperiod, critical photoperiod is necessary for the initiation of flowering that is called as photoperiodism. There are three different types of plants on the basis of photoperiod, that is called as long day plants, short day plants and day neutral plants. Okay, then I will discuss the last article during this topic, that is plant growth and development, that is called as vernalization and devernalization.